you guys, we are at Dollar General for deals you can do now. So for the first item, we are going to grab these Tide Pods. There is a $2 coupon attaching to it, making them only 95 cents. Also, all the Christmas stuff at Dollar General is on sale for 25 cents. My store was completely wiped out other than for like tissue paper and bags, but they did have these. My son's birthday is coming up, so I grabbed 4 of them for $1. And I'm going to give them as like little candies for the candy table. Thought it was kind of cute. You can like hang them off of stuff. Then our next item, we are going to grab these big razors. They are priced for $3 and there is a $2 off digital coupon, making it only $1. You can also get these, the blue Bics also. So now our cart is up to $1.95. The next item that I'm going to grab today, you guys, are these Oops All Berry Captain Crunch. They're on promotion, or they're not on sale, but they're $1. And there is a 75 cents off of one coupon that is attaching to this one. But it's only attaching to the Oops All Berries. I scanned this one and it wouldn't attach. It only attaches to this one, you guys. So that will make this bag only 25 cents. And then the last item I am going to grab, you guys, are 2 of these Goldfish boxes, the family size. They are normally priced $3.50, but there is a coupon on my account that's 2 for $3. So I'll get 2 of these family size ones for $3. Kind of upset because I just bought 2 from Publix because they were buy one, get one free. And I'm going to pretty much spend the same amount of money and get 2 of these big ones. But anywho, it is what it is. My son will just be super stocked on Goldfish. Alright, so this is everything that I got for, I guess you could say this is like a $5 challenge. Got the 2 Goldfish for $3, the Tide Pods for 95 cents, the razors for $1, and the cereal for 75 cents. So it's kind of, you can wash your clothes, shave your legs, get a snack for you, snack for the kids, bowl of cereal, breakfast, and a snack. So it's pretty neat. This was $5.70, so I went over a little bit by like 70 cents for the $5 challenge. This is a pretty decent deal. Midweek, you can do this today. You don't have to wait for Saturday for the 5 off of 25. I personally am going to grab that Tide today because my Dollar General is like really busy. And whenever there's a good deal like that on Saturday, there's like never any products left over on the shelf. So anywho, thanks you guys for coming with me and hanging on my adventure. Please smash that like button and subscribe, you guys. If you're on phone, flip it upright and then you'll see a red subscribe button. Press it, turn it gray, and that's how you'll be subscribed. And thank you for hanging with me. Bye.